Viewers, very warm welcome to you in Ashra Botanical Garden. Viewers, right now I'm filming a very rare bird. Viewers, this bird is a small one and its name is Fantail. Here is a pair of the fantail. You can see that it sways its tails to and fro. I'm trying to take a close-up look of this beautiful garden bird. You can see here it is inside the bush. You can see constantly it sway its tail. That's the reason it's called the fantail. Here there are two varieties I have seen, the rufous fantail and this is the brown fantail. You can see that it is now giving a very close look. Actually a pair of it, and you can see that constantly moving its tail to and fro, and it likes the thick bushes. Small bird and try to hide itself inside the bushes. Here it utters shrieking sound. Here these are the small birds of garden like the tailor birds, like the sunbirds, but they prefer a lot of privacy as compared to sunbirds and the tailor birds. If they are disturbed and distracted, they go away. You see here both of them in the focus. Beauty of their tail swaying is really marvelous. You can see here. Here you can see I want to give you full view of these beautiful fantails constantly swaying its tail. Another one has arrived there, you can see, and you can also hear their calls. Yes.